Hi everyone, so I've built my CNC machine, but I'm having a problem with setting up the soft limits and referencing all to home. So if I just show you what happens when, first off I'll go through the me setup. So ports and pins. So all the step pins and the drive pins, serial port, they're all on 0 because I've read up that the board I'm using, that's the way they set up. I have downloaded the R&R motion controller and my motors are all moving fine and my motors are calibrated. My input signal, so all my limit switches and homing switches are all on port 3, pin number 2. My output signal, I don't know if there's anything in here that's needed. No, it's just for my plasma torch, but that's set up right. And that should be all that's needed in there. But when I try to ref all home, I'll show you now what happens. Oh, reset. Alright, let's try again. My Z doesn't actually move. And I've also set it to back off 30mm from the limit switches, which it doesn't back off 30mm. It stays at from where it's touched the limit switch. So as you can see, my X hasn't moved. So the only way I can get it to move is by going into the diagnostics and then doing it from there. I can't figure out how to make it do it from just hitting the ref home all button from there. See, if I press one of the limit switches now, they're all wired up to the same port. So when I hit one of the limit switches, everything lights up. I'm not sure if that's correct. Well, I know it's correct because I've connected them all up, but I don't know if that's impacting on the ref home all. So I'll just show you what my soft limits and table size is set up for. So on the X, I should have 900mm of travel from where my home is. 420 on my Y and 125 on my Z. Slow zone of 15mm. I take it that's the slow zone before it hits the switch. It slows down 15mm before the switch and then hits the switch. Once it's hit the switch, I wanted it to back off from the switch 30mm. I hope I've set that up correct. I think I have. So this is the machine itself. I'll just show you the movement of the machine. You have to excuse the setup at the moment. So that's at a soft limit there. This way it's not hitting any soft limits. That way it's not going to hit a soft limit. And that way there it's just hit a soft limit. Don't think on the Z it doesn't either. Oh no, that's soft limit there. But no soft limit the other way. So if I just set my 0 Sorry, I thought I'd hit a soft limit that way then, but I didn't. So the machine moves around nice. A little bit juddery over in the back corner, but I think that's just because I'm stopping it abruptly, hitting the soft limit. Just need to slow it down a little bit. So if I try to ref all home from this position, I'll show you what happens. As you can see, the Z didn't work. So then if I go into the diagnostics and then ref the Z from the diagnostic screen, it'll then work. But as you can see, don't know if you can see that actually, but they should be 30 mil away from the limit switches, and they're not. They're right up against them. Another problem I'm having is that when I put in my G code, I've got it set up for the, let me see which one it is. It is so because I've got a floating head on there, I've got the Mach3 plasma THC with subscriber and backlash compensation. I've edited the post to my switch offset, which is 8.9 mil. So that's from the plasma cutter just touching the door, just off the top of the surface of the material, then going down till it triggers the switch. It's 8.9 mil. So I'll take it that's correct on there. I'm using the probe setting, so I've set ref all to false. They're the only two edits that I've made in that in there. But then when I import the G code into Mach3, if I just go up to display mode, So that is all layered. Now I haven't drawn it on AutoCAD layered, because I've also tried using, where is it? This one. This is without the torch height control. This is just a normal Mach3 one. I just wanted to see if there would be any difference. And that one, it's all on the same plane. So I'm not sure where I'm going wrong with that.